20 Truths about Intermittent Fasting You Need to Know. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. The most popular method is the 16-to-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Let's dive into some truths about intermittent fasting. Truth number 1. It can help with weight loss. By reducing your eating windows and overall calorie intake, you may find it easier to maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. But remember, the quality of the food you eat still matters. Truth number 2. It helps your body burn fat. When you fast, you lower insulin levels, allowing your body to switch from burning glucose to stored fat for energy. Truth number 3. It's safe for your muscles. As long as you consume enough protein and engage in strength training, you shouldn't lose muscle mass. In fact, fasting may boost growth hormone, which can help preserve and build muscle. Truth number 4. It can increase your energy. Once your body adapts to fasting, you may experience more stable blood sugar levels, leading to sustained energy throughout the day. Truth number 5. It enhances mental clarity. Many people report improved focus and mental sharpness while fasting. This could be due to increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which promotes the growth and division of neurons. Truth number 6. It may extend your lifespan. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting can increase longevity by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and improving cellular repair processes. Truth number 7. Hunger comes in waves. Hunger can feel intense at first, but it typically subsides after a few hours. If needed, drink plenty of water and black coffee to help manage your appetite. Truth number 8. It improves insulin sensitivity. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, you can help your body better manage insulin levels and improve glucose uptake by cells. Truth number 9. It's not a free pass for junk food. While intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, it doesn't excuse you from eating processed or unhealthy foods. Focus on consuming whole nutrient-dense foods for sustained energy and health. Truth number 10. Women may need shorter fasts like 12-12 or 14-10 to avoid hormonal imbalances. Truth number 11. It benefits brain health. Intermittent fasting can increase BDNF, which is crucial for brain development, learning, and memory. It also reduces inflammation in the brain, protecting it from age-related decline. Truth number 12. You can work out while fasting. Most people can exercise while fasting without any issues. In fact, fasted exercise may help you burn fat more efficiently. Truth number 13. Break your fast properly. After a longer fast, start with a nutrient-dense meal and gradually increase the frequency of your meals. This will help your body adjust and prevent digestive discomfort or blood sugar spikes. Truth number 14. It's more sustainable. Unlike traditional diets, intermittent fasting isn't as restrictive, making it easier to stick to over time. By focusing on when you eat rather than what you eat, you can enjoy a wider variety of foods. Truth number 15. Coffee in fasting. Black coffee is usually allowed and may even enhance fat burning. However, avoid adding sugar, cream, or milk, as this can hinder the benefits of fasting. Truth number 16. It supports gut health. Fasting gives your digestive system a chance to rest and repair, which can help reduce bloating and improve overall digestion. Truth number 17. It's not for everyone. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, battling an eating disorder, or have certain medical conditions, it's best to avoid intermittent fasting. Truth number 18. It has anti-inflammatory effects. Fasting can help lower inflammation markers in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Truth number 19. It may improve sleep quality. By balancing hormone levels and avoiding a heavy meal before bed, intermittent fasting can help you get a better night's sleep. And finally, truth number 20. Extended fasts need medical guidance. If you plan to fast for longer than 48 hours, it's crucial to seek medical guidance as there are increased risks involved. There you have it, 20 truths about intermittent fasting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, while fasting can be a powerful tool for many, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Listen to your body, consult with a healthcare professional, and determine if intermittent fasting is the right choice for you. Get your intermittent fasting book in the link below.